So here we will use the Bernoulli experiment that we are talking about earlier, right? So okay, log likelihood. So you see, so you take that x equals to some Bernoulli distribution. So what happens in logistic regression? You either get 1 or 0, right? Same as the Bernoulli distribution. Our outcome could be 1 or 0. And similar as Bernoulli distribution. That's why we take Bernoulli distribution. So which is basically P of xi, 1 minus P, 1 minus xi, right? And if you go for n Bernoulli trials, you will have x equals to xi, okay? And the product of P of xi times 1 minus P minus xi, right? So what do you have to do? You have to increase this probability, right? So this is a okay. You have to maximize this function to get the minimum error, right? So that your probability is basically maximized, right? So what we'll do is just we'll take a log of this. So if you take log of this, what will happen is that the product will become summation, right? Because log of AB is log A plus log B. So this will become xi log P plus 1 minus xi log of 1 minus P, right? And then you take uh, the P value, which is basically making it maximum. So argmax P, right? So this is where the log likelihood function comes from, right? I think the professor will explain more in the when she explains logistic regression in the next week. But I think this will give you a good idea about where it comes from, right? Yes. So you have to find so given xi, okay. So this is basically likelihood of p given xi, okay. So, given xi is basically your data, right? Your data points. So, given you are given some data, what is the value of p, which is best fitting your data, which is most likely fitting your data? That's what this likelihood function talks about. This is also called the likelihood function or the log likelihood function if you have taken a log of it. Right? So what is the value of p that maximizes your likelihood, which is best fitting your data? Given that you have given some data xi, what is the value of p that is best fitting your data, which is maximizing your likelihood? So you have to maximize this thing, and that's what the log likelihood is, right? I think it's clear now, right? uh, Likelihood is the whole thing. So the whole thing I'm calling as likelihood, this thing, the summation. Okay. This whole thing is basically the log likelihood. Now you have to maximize this log likelihood. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Huh. I should the summation is called the whole thing. Yeah. Right. And this is what is being written over here.